Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus with a PC or laptop. And to do this we'll need to get the USB to USB-C cable, then connect USB-C to your phone and USB cable to your laptop. Now look on your phone, it should start charging and we need to allow access to the data. Then move to the file manager on your PC and right here you should find S23 name and then check the internal storage. Inside you can copy or paste any files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.